Alrighty, folks, we are headed down Piney Road in Sevierville. I'm trying to get it up here high enough. It's Kodak.
Yeah.
Yes, to do a jump start.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, are we here?
So dark. Yeah, it looks like their driveway is right there. Turn on.
Looks like I'm here.
Sorry guys, we can't see.
I can't see nothing.
It's so dark.
Is this it?
I've seen the news. Yeah.
Hello. Sounds like they have some doggies. Yep, I'll give him a minute.
So we understand.
He has another one.
Come back, got him. Got him. Okay, chill.
All righty.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Good, how you doing?
Okay. Yo, Joe, talk to him.
How you want to do it? You want to do it from the hood?
Yeah, it's for this car.
If it has a spot up here, I can do it up here.
Well, they put it's behind her seat, so however you want to do it.
Oh, the battery's back there?
Well, actually, but she can't. It's hard to get to because she's double amputee, so if you can work it from here.
Yeah.
That works for us. Okay,
Yeah,
so-
yeah, if we get it in here, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Joe,
We'll see what we can do.
thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Joe, what's up, good baby?
Yeah. If you...
Wait.
There we go.
I can't lock the cable in the back, so I can't get to them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, it's no problem. My wife has one of these.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got him. I mean, I got her as a gift because she's, she got all, because she deserved it. But
Yeah.
I never seen it come in my life where they got the batteries back there. So
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's actually crazy.
Yeah, it
This
should
thing even
jump.
Locks, it locks. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't know that either till tonight. So.
It don't-
Yeah. Yes. Sir. So.
This should be good though.
Blanket.
It's showing it's good. There we go. Get my light back. Where'd you go? Oh, there it is. There's my light. I want to charge it up. There we go.
I mean, it just started discharging when I got the car a couple months ago. They told me to bring it back, but her mom got sick, went down the mountain. So you think that's what's causing the problem is because it's like it's not in the middle, but like the last couple of days when I go to work in the morning, it's cold. So I thought that was all it was. Really. It's like makes it more difficult to crank.
Yeah,
so,
the battery might be getting weakened. If it was the alternator,
Right,
it would
yeah.
probably go ahead and shut off
Right.
whenever I unhook
okay,
the
she
jump
used to race
pack.
on racetrack. Tell her to chill.
So yeah.
Hey, gentleman said that if it was the alternator, he said what?
Yeah, I think it probably the battery's getting weak in it.
It's too weak to carry what's going on in here.
Yeah.
I mean, but what's wrong? I mean, y'all are supposed to be doing
Because
this.
it's not charging.
Okay, well I know that.
It's old. I mean, it's an
Yeah.
old battery.
Okay. It's supposed to be new. So the price I pay for paying $17,000 for a car and they give me a bad battery.
Right.
Only in America.
If you take it to like one of the parts stores, like
Yes,
AutoZone
yes,
or something
well,
like that,
that's what they know.
they'll
She
check
knows
it
it. Right, okay.
and they can charge it and they
Okay.
can tell you what's going on
Okay,
with
well,
it.
we got that.
And if the battery's bad,
Yeah.
they'll change it for free.
Right. Appreciate you, man.
So,
Thank
all
you
right.
very much. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah. All right, yeah. Cool.
And we've got a ticket for you.
Okay, yeah, what? Yeah,
Your
great.
insurance covered it, I think.
Right,
So,
yes. Well, I should be a couple of them because I hope I don't have to use them. But yeah, we got 2 services. We got Hartford, man, and Sky. They charge like almost $400 a month just for this type of service. And I was your mama's oldest, so I figured that may be part of the problem. But I'm trying to get away.
yeah.
The insurance, we got to trip it out there, right? Yeah. But anyway, thank you, sir.
Well, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Everything
she's
good
got a
here?
ticket for you. I'll bring you a ticket, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No, thank you. Yeah,
Okay, thank you, sir. Appreciate
yeah.
it.
Let me get this for you here, sir.
Tell us hello.
Tell them I said hi.
Okay.
Thank you.
No. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
You sign it?
Yeah.
I'll sign it.
Here's our card.
Okay,
If
cool.
you need anything
I'll
else.
I'll keep it going forward.
If you-
So I might need it because
Okay. Yeah.
I'm getting ready to get a disability check about $40,000.
Okay.
I told her I was going to borrow
Oh,
her
heck
car.
yeah.
So I figure, because she's double amputee, she's had a rough life. So I'm trying
Oh,
to, yeah, I'm trying
sorry.
to, I'm just going to scribble that. Let's keep it.
Yeah, oh, yeah, it's fine.
Cool. Yeah, I don't care what you charge me. I appreciate it, man.
That's
Because
okay.
it's late. And
Yeah.
most people when you come out and around here, it's
Oh, yeah.
ridiculous, man. They charge like 2 legs and I'm not an arm
Oh.
leg. You know what I'm saying?
Two
It's sad.
legs, yeah.
It's ridiculous. Thank you, sir.
Well, thank
Appreciate
you.
it. That's
You're
your
welcome.
wife.
Yeah, that's my
Tell us
wife.
hello. Good
Okay.
enough, good enough,
She
good
said
enough.
hi.
Keep time with you. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all.
No, thank you
for
very
coming out.
much.
Appreciate
Hey,
it.
no
Yes,
problem.
sir. Take care, man. Thank
You too.
Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.
Have a good night. Didn't it? Yes, sir.
Auto mechanic in Japan. Do you work on cars at all? Just curious. Do
A
you?
little bit, yeah.
Okay, well look, damn, your number on here or just the
Yeah.
number for your job?
Yeah, our number is...
Your number. I mean, because I might need some, like, I can really buy her a car.
Yeah,
And I'm
yeah, it
saying,
should be...
Okay.
Yeah,
Who
it's
am
on
I-
that
who am I
side.
asking for? You? What's your name?
Yeah, Nate. I'm Nathan.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
So just you if I call?
Yep.
Okay, good enough.
Yep, we're
Good
up
enough.
here. We're just right off the 398 exit.
Well, I
in
work over here
Knoxville.
right here, so good enough. I appreciate
Okay.
that. Thank you.
All
Good
right.
night. Thank
Thank
man.
you.
Take care, sir. Thanks.
Have a good one. We got him hooked up, charged up.
See the steering wheel.
Yeah, I'm sorry. But, yeah, got him jumped, and we're off to the next one. Howdy, folks. We are getting ready to go pick one up off of the interstate. Just what we love to do.
Love it.
Call came in about an hour ago for a Chevy Aveo stuck on the interstate. He said he was going to try to run down there and see if he could get it to start again. And I was like, he'll end up calling back, wanting a ride, so, or wanting a tow, not a ride, but a tow. And it was probably what, an hour,
It's been like almost 2 hours.
hour and a half went
Yeah.
by. So
I got my jammies on,
Mindy she was in bed.
tucked my stuff in.
Yeah. He calls back, hey, come get it. Mindy done went to bed. So Mindy got back up as a champ. We got our safety vests on. We're ready for some interstate action. So hopefully it won't be too bad. I think we're just going to hook it. And I'm going to check, make sure the parking brake's not set. And we're just going to take it on up. Should be real close to an exit. I'm just going to grab it, take it up on the exit, and then we'll strap it down, get off the interstate. Try to be a little safer about it because it's dark. I know we don't like doing it, messing around on the interstate, but
Somebody's got to do it.
yeah, we're just going to be safe about it. Just grab it and go. And we will see you here in a few.
East. Wing.
This guy over here looking to get off of us.
Well, they typically don't.
Hang on, don't turn back in lights on.
You gotta see to do your jobs. No. So get over it, Lane.
Better get over it.
Yep. come get up close and personal with you.
Alright, let's get out here and check it out real quick. Yeah. Alright, not too bad. Okay. Okay, parking brakes off. Alright. Parking brakes off, we're good. I won't go ahead and throw a strap on it since it's not too bad. It's not terrible. Strap on the fighter. It looks like it's been leaking something. Alright. Let's get heading that way, guys.
I don't know why I'm cold.
You don't know why you're cold. You're ready for bed, that's why. That's off, that's off. Alright.
That was cold.
Strap on the seatbelt.
My hair's wet.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Alright.
We'll see you when we drop it off. Sorry guys, I forgot to say we made it here.
I just got in to make sure the parking brake wasn't set. I don't want to burn your back brakes up.
Okay, we're gonna hook it. He's gonna try to jump it for him and see where it gets from there, and we'll see you here after a while. Please don't forget the tail light. Oh, so loud.
I've got to get
A reminder, a post-it note.
I think I want to get like a piece of Velcro strap and wrap around the light, and when I'm using it, I can put it around my mirror or something.
Oh, like a reminder?
Yeah.
How about if I just stick a post-it note to your forehead?
That would do it too.
Whatever makes you feel better. Turn on the light up there on my side.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alrighty.
See that beautiful
We're
face.
off. Yeah. Yeah, he got a hot thermostat stuck on it, and got a hot. Blew a line off of it.
What are his chances that
Hopefully it saved it.
maybe it did a safety shut off or something?
Yeah, I think it did safety shut off, and it probably worked when he fires it up.
Yeah.
Because it probably needs to reset. Computer needs to reset or something on it. I'm not sure how those work like that.
I don't either.
The jump box usually will crank it up and it wouldn't do anything. All the gauges were
Going
twitching.
crazy.
Yeah, they were doing some crazy stuff. But yeah, I think.
Doesn't sound very lovely, does it?
No, it doesn't sound very
Well,
lovely.
hopefully it's nothing too big.
Yeah.
I hope the best for him.
Hope the best. That's
Yep.
all we can do. Should have cooled down enough between here and there to where it should have, if it's going to start up, it should be okay until it warms up. So we will see. Well, hopefully it works out. We won't know.
Nope.
Probably won't hear anything about it. So
Sometimes we do.
we have.
Yeah.
I'm gonna punch in our stuff here. So anyway, everybody, another late night call. So everybody stay safe out there. Remember to give everything a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment or two, and we will catch you later.
I'm going back to bed.
I'm going to bed.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.